You must have seen these Hindi videos recently.
मैं गेहूं की रोटी हूँ, मुझे ज्यादा खाओगे तो वेट बढ़ेगा और शुगर भी चढ़ेगी.
Videos like these are going viral right now, and by making them, many Instagram pages have gained lots of followers. And the best part is, making these videos is quite easy and anyone can do it. How? Well, first, go to ChatGPT and open the Apps section from the 3-bar menu. Now, in the top right corner, you'll see GPTs. Go there and search for Object Talk. Then, select Object Talk, Hindi. Now, just type the name of whichever object you want to make a video for example, on typing plastic water bottle. ChatGPT will then generate the entire video prompt and script according to the object. C. Next, copy the prompts one by one, go to Google Gemini, and paste them there to get your object's image ready. Now that the image is ready, go to the Google Flow website to convert it into a video. Create a new project, choose Frames to Video, and upload the photo generated by Google Gemini. Then, paste the video script provided by ChatGPT into Google Flow like this. As soon as you hit enter, Google Flow will have your video ready. Take a look.
मैं सिर्फ प्यास बुझाने आया था, पर फिर मुझे फेंक दिया गया.